This is how to reverse cash send on the Capitec app. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. You may just need to look for the same options. First, open the Capitec app and sign into your account. Once you are logged in, tap Transact. Then scroll down and select Send Cash. On the Send Cash screen, scroll down again and tap View History. From here, you will see your sent vouchers. Open the voucher you want to reverse. Now, it is important to know that you can only cancel a cash send before the recipient has collected it. If the voucher is still unredeemed, you will see the option to cancel voucher. Tap Cancel Voucher, then confirm the cancellation when prompted. After that, the voucher will be cancelled and the money will be returned to your main account. And that's it. That's how you reverse cash send on the Capitec app. If this helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides.